Hello everyone, this is Falguni Zaveri from Karma Healing. Today we are here to do a reading for the various zodiac signs, how the zodiac signs are going to be affected by Mercury retrograde, and that is from the 14th of Jan 2022 till the 3rd of Feb 2022. So, what does retrograde actually? Mercury retrograde means Mercury retrograde means that the planet is going to travel backwards. And what is it going to do? It is going to cause you delay, in travels, or delay in any kind of communication, delay in getting emails or mails you have been waiting for, something very, very much related to communication. But one thing good about this Mercury retrograde is the intuition is going to be really, really on a higher peak this time. So you can basically meditate a lot. You can do things to increase your intuitive powers. This Mercury retrograde is from January 14th till the February of 3rd, 2022. And the next one is coming May 10 to June 2. But this time it is for January 14th to February 3rd, 2022. So you have to be very, very careful about confusion, creation of confusion or delays, frustration, something that you have been waiting for, like maybe you have applied for an interview or a job and you have been waiting for approval from them. So this time is something that it will delay a little bit of that thing. Maybe your emails, your government papers you have been waiting for, someone who has applied for visa maybe. So those kind of delays are seen during this period. So you have to be careful about those in Mercury retrograde. So today what are we going to see? We are going to see how this Mercury retrograde is going to affect different zodiac signs. So let's go ahead and start with our reading. So now we'll go ahead and do the first sign, and that is the sign Aries. So how is this Mercury retrograde going to affect the sign Aries? So if you see, what will happen with the people born under the sign Aries is they will have this enthusiasm and that confidence to move ahead. But somehow, how hard they try during this period, the Mercury retrograde is not going to give you that results or show a forward moment. It is like I've been working hard so much, I've been doing this, I've been doing that, but still I'm not seeing the results. So this week, if you see when the Mercury is retrograde, you just have to have a patience. You can say have patience and be very, very careful with your communications, what you speak. You might hurt people, or with your saying something to anyone, they might take it the opposite way. They might react badly. So you have to be very, very careful about your communication. So if I tell what the sign Aries has to be careful during Mercury retrograde, then I will say your speech, and have patience. Your hard work that you are giving might not show that result because of the Mercury retrograde. So have some patience. So now we are going to go ahead and do the second sign, and that is the sign Taurus. So people born under the sign Taurus, how are they getting influenced by the Mercury retrograde? There will be issues where your money is concerned for Taurians. There will be delay in money matters. So something like you have been waiting for it to come, or the money that someone is going to give you and you have been expecting them to give you at this time frame, it is not going to happen because of the Mercury retrograde. You have to be very, very careful where your finance is concerned this week, where you are making a new deals, where your money is getting involved, or you are investing some kind of money. You have to be very, very careful with those. You will not see that much growth coming to you during the Mercury retrograde, but have patience. Like I told you, once the Mercury retrograde period is gone, you will see the result of your hard work. But then if you are saying, okay, I am working hard, I have done this part of work, but I'm not seeing any result this week, that is because of the Mercury retrograde. It will not show you the result. So people who are born under the sign Taurus, their main issue they have to worry about is the money issue. There will be any kind of money or financial deals that you do will show a delay. You have to have patience where your financial things are concerned. So for Taurians, be careful with your finance. So now we are going to see our sign Gemini. So where Gemini is concerned, for Gemini the planet is Mercury. So how is it going to affect the people born under the sign Gemini? If I tell you this sign, like I told you, is mostly for communication. So you will see a lot of miscommunication happening to you this week. Like you speak something, you mean something, but people react differently, understand differently. So that kind of miscommunication will come to you this week. So if I tell you what you have to be very careful about, people born under the sign Gemini, you have to be very, very careful what you are speaking, what you are communicating. Also, there will be a lot of things delayed for you. You might not receive the mails, emails, or papers or documents that you have been waiting for so long. This is not the time period where you will receive immediate answer, immediate communication from where you have been waiting for, maybe your papers that you have filed, or maybe your workplace, anywhere, wherever the communication comes, it's going to delay you. Also, there is a situation of gossip. There will be people talking behind your back this week, or you are going to be a subject of gossip this week. So just be very, very careful. Nothing to worry about. Once the Mercury retrograde passes by, you will be fine. So have patience. So Gemini, please be very, very careful with your communication and have patience where delays of documents, emails, any paperwork is concerned. So now we will go ahead and do the sign Cancer. So people born under the sign Cancer, how is Mercury retrograde going to affect you? Mostly Mercury retrograde is going to affect you for the Cancer people is in the house front. So something related to your house, maybe you can say, if I give you an example, a repair of a house, or maybe if you're into a business that is done from home kind of thing, baking, cooking, so there will be issues regarding to that kind of businesses where the businesses are done, it's kind of a home business kind of a thing. Any duties related to the house or repair work, or you can say any duties. Suppose for an example, you took a duty and said, okay, I will go ahead and repair this, or repair the leakage in the sink or something. So this is not the time that it is going to be fruitful for you. There might be some things more coming to you when you go for repair or something like that. So household duties, basically repairing stuff, building new house, construction, or you can say doing things at your home is going to be affected for Cancer people. So any kind of projects, projects that, suppose if you are an interior decorator and you take a project, to do your house or do a cupboard or repair anything of that kind of issues, is going to have problems when your Mercury is retrograde. So if I tell for Cancer people, just be very, very careful about the repair work, any household work that you will be doing. It might cause you some kind of delays. It might cause you delay till the Mercury retrograde is back to normal on the 3rd of February. So Cancer people, yes, be careful where the home front is concerned. Now we are going to do our sign Leo. People born under the sign Leo, how is Mercury retrograde going to affect you? Yes, it is going to affect you in your investment. You have to be very, very careful where your investments are concerned when the Mercury is retrograde. Don't invest into a property, don't invest into some kind of shares or any kind of those kind of stuff. Any kind of investment that you do this week is not going to be fruitful for you guys. Even I would not suggest you buying or selling any property or doing any kind of trading this week, because you are not going to see a positive result. So Leo people, Mercury retrograde is totally going to affect your investments and your trading. So just be very, very careful about it when the Mercury is retrograde. So now we'll go ahead and do the sign Virgo. People born under the sign Virgo, how is Mercury retrograde going to affect them? For people born in the sign Virgo, there is going to be a lot of misunderstanding and challenge at your workplace. You will have a lot of, you can say, misunderstanding from your colleagues, or whatever you communicate might cause a misunderstanding. Also, if you are actually into a product sale, or uh, something like that, there are chances that whatever products, especially equipments, are going to give you troubles. Any equipment that you purchase maybe in this time duration also might give you issues. Either you might get a wrong equipment, or after bringing it home, that equipment might give you trouble, kind of a thing. And definitely people who are into this kind of business of equipments, they have to be very careful this week, especially Virgo people, because it is going to cause you delays, and it is going to give you problems. Also, whatever Virgo people do at work, or whatever they are doing, this is the Mercury retrograde week that is coming. You have to be very, very careful about your work. Double check your work, because somewhere there might be something, or something might prompt up where your work is concerned, something that goes unnoticed by you this week. So just be very careful, double check your work before you give for a final answer. Arguments, like I told you, with the co-workers are very, very chances are there it is going to happen when the Mercury retrograde. So be very, very polite, be very, very just you can talk at a point, kind of a thing. Don't speak more, don't talk more. Just whenever it's something that you want to talk to a point, kind of a thing. Nothing too much arguments, or nothing too much fights. Don't talk something that will create all these things. So just be very, very careful, Virgo people. So people born under the sign Libra, when this Mercury retrograde, during this time, you have to be very, very careful about trying new things on yourself. Basically, like new hairstyle, or new makeup, or anything new, will not give you a positive outcome this week. Anything new that you will try, new makeover especially, is not going to be very, very positive for you guys. Somewhere you will also feel your energy out of balance. Sometimes you are happy, sometimes you are low. So exactly, it will be very, very difficult for you guys to go ahead and understand yourself. Basically, you need to, this week is somewhere where you can relax, you can refresh yourself and rejuvenate. Don't try anything new this week. Don't try to change something about yourself this week, because that change will not be very positive for you guys. So for Libra, Mercury retrograde is telling you not to do or try anything about yourself, like a makeover, or anything new that you would change for yourself. And it is also guiding you to relax, rejuvenate, and refresh yourself this week. You'll feel better. Now, people born under the sign Scorpio, if I see for Scorpions, this Mercury retrograde totally controls your emotions. Emotions in the sense relationships. So this Mercury retrograde might bring you some kind of confusion, some kind of irritation, some kind of arguments where your relationship are concerned. People who are into new relationship, this is not the right time to make a decision, or not. This is not the right time to attract any kind of new relationship, especially the relationship of heart. Just avoid it. Also, there might be some secrets that you have, so this is Mercury retrograde is something where there are chances the people whom you have shared your secrets or something might bring your secret out. So just be patient, be normal, and do not stress too much where that is concerned. But if I see Scorpio for Mercury retrograde, is telling you not to deal anything related to your emotions, relations. Do not build up new relations, new affairs, and the chances are your secrets might slip out, or you might be in trouble related to that. But just be patient, just be positive, everything should be okay. Now, people born under the sign Sagittarius, if you see, the Mercury retrograde is going to bring you problems in your travel. So it is suggesting you not to take any travels during the Mercury retrograde period. Don't travel, don't go to places, because it is going to give you a lot of delays and a lot of trouble on your way. So traveling is a no-no for people born under the sign Sagittarius. You might lose directions where your work is concerned. There is something that you will be confused. You might not know what exactly the direction you need to take your work is concerned, or your trips are concerned, basically. And this is where you will need a little bit of humor in your life, because a lot of confusion and a lot of work and no travel will make you a little dull and sad. So just a sense of humor is needed in this. Try to stay happy, and this shall pass. So if I tell you Sagittarius, Mercury retrograde is telling you no travel during that time, and expect delays in whatever you do. Now, what is Mercury retrograde for Capricorn? People born under the sign Capricorn. You have to avoid buying or selling any kind of property. So basically don't do any deals if you are in real estate, or maybe even rent a property. So this is not the right time to do that. And you have to also be very, very careful about your paperwork, any kind of paperwork you do. So if there is a paperwork that you are doing, you will definitely see a delay or a problem coming to you. And this is the best time for get together with your family or reunite with your family, and take a chill pill and stay at home. Also, packing and moving somewhere is not suggested in this period for you, Capricorn. So just try to avoid the things that may cause you problems. So if I see Capricorns, do not sell, buy, or rent any kind of property, or be very, very careful with your paperwork, and do not move to a new place, or do not move to a place, or think about moving to a place like you are packing, you are going to move maybe in the next month or something. So don't start your packing or something in this period of Mercury retrograde. And definitely reunite with your family, and have a get together and have a vacation with them at home, basically. Now we are going to go ahead and do Aquarius. People born under the sign Aquarius, where Mercury retrograde is concerned, you have to be very, very careful about your relationship, misunderstanding in your relationship, in your friendship. There will be friends who might misunderstand you on small things. So just be very, very careful. Relationship, be very careful about arguments, about misunderstanding where relationship are also concerned. Miscommunication is definitely there, where you will communicate something else and the people will understand something else. So basically, Aquarius people, you have to be very, very careful in all the field of your life, like relationship, and at work, maybe miscommunication at your work or at your home. So Mercury retrograde for Aquarius is be careful in your relationship, in your friendship. There are chances there might be misunderstanding, there might be miscommunication, so be careful with it. For people born under the sign Pisces, the Mercury retrograde is going to be causing you illusion this week. You can say illusion in the sense it is going to show you things that is like a dream and not the reality. So somewhere in this period you will be making plans, making such plans that it's like a dream. You might not take that into practice, something that you are dreaming about. So this week is something that you will be in your dreams most of the time. It will create an illusion of things around you, and you are basically going to stay in that level where you are daydreaming kind of a thing. So but this Mercury retrograde will bring you a lot of creativity, a lot of you can say you can do good in writing, you can do good in dancing, you can do good in photography. So that's the advantage that the Mercury retrograde is going to bring you. But you just have to be very, very careful about the illusion that the Mercury retrograde is going to cause you. Just don't get to that level where you make plans that cannot be practical, kind of a thing. Otherwise, there are chances that you might fall down with your plans. So just be very careful where Mercury retrograde period is concerned. And that's it for Pisces. So we are done with all the signs now, and hopefully everyone is having a great week. See you all next time with my weekly reading. And like I always tell you, please go ahead, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am on Facebook as well as on Instagram, so please go ahead and like my page there too. So see you next time. Stay blessed, stay positive, and love you all. Bye bye.